My name is Ajay Shashank Deshmukh. I am here to speak few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is great freedom fighter. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu. His mother tongue was Gujarati. He studied law at University of London. His life was very simple. He did not believe in violence and caste discrimination. He helped India to get freedom from British rule. Gandhiji is also known as father of the nation. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like "Do or die" and "British rule has left India." Even today, people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and inspirable work. He was killed by Nathuram Godse 13 January
1948.
1948. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhinav Ajay Solanki. I am from 4th time, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend. Today I am speaking about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was biggest and greatest patriotic in India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, people called lovingly Mahatma Gandhi Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had 4 sons. Mahatma Gandhi completed his studies in University in London. Thank you, friends.
I'm Sushima Patra and I'm from 4th Pal. Today I will speak few words about Mahatma Gandhi. So let's get started. Mahatma Gandhi was the main leader of our India's freedom struggle. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He believed in ahimsa and non-violence. He belonged to INC, Indian National Congress. He died due to assassination on 30th January 1948.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone. My name is Arini Swapnil Deshmukh. We all know that today is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. On the occasion of 2nd October, I would like to share some lines about Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He did his primary schooling at Mughal Sarai and Varanasi. The title of Shastri is the educational title given after he completed his graduation. He was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi's ideology. He was against the caste system and the dowry system. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was his famous slogan. Shastri Ji got I am from 4th Pal. Today I am going to tell you speech on 2 October Gandhi Jayanti. The best way to find yourself into lost yourself is the survive of others, says Gandhiji. The name of Gandhiji was Mohanchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Kasturba Gandhi. We celebrate Republic and Independence Day because on that day we got freedom from Britishers. That's why we celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day. We also call.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Nitin Rao Deshmukh and I am from 4th Pal. Today I am telling you about Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October to Sharda Prasad and Ram Dulari Devi's home in Mughal Sarai. He shared his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi, who was also born on 2nd October. He studied in Harish Chandra High School, which he left to join the non-cooperation movement of India. He was influenced by reading about Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi and Annie Besant. He was deeply impressed by Mahatma Gandhi and he joined the Indian independence in 1920s. He was on a prime post in Nehru's government. He led the country in Indo-Pakistan in 1965. His slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan became very popular during the war. The war ended with Tashkent Agreement in 10th January 1966. On the same day, he died due to heart attack, but the reason given by the government of death was in dispute. The government gave him the Bharat Ratna after his death. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Manat Parwani. I am from 4th Ruby. I am telling the speech on Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti 2020. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2 in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. This year will mark Gandhi's 151st birth anniversary. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2 every year to make the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is observed across the states and territories in India and is one of the officially declared and national holiday. On this day, people celebrated with prayers, services, comparative communities and cultural events that are held in colleges, local governments, instructions and socio-political instruction. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dushyant Akshavta Ningre and I am from 4th Pal. First of all, Happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone. Today is 2nd October. This day is celebrated on the honor of birthday of our Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was also popular by Bapuji. He is a symbol of peace and truth. He was pioneer of non-violence and truth. He started the Satyagraha movement. He played an important role by achieving India's independence from British rule. His favorite song was Raghupati Raghav's Rajaram Patita Pavam Sitaram. He set an example of simple living and high thinking. He wear always the khadi clothes and he never accepted the British culture. He always followed the India's old culture. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I'm Shrizi Ram from 4th Pearl. Today is the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. Today we are celebrating his 151 birthday. He is also known as Father of Nation Bapuji Mahatma Gandhi. At the age of 15, he got married to Kasturba Gandhi. He went to England to study law. He fought against British following the truth and non-violence for our freedom. His slogan was "Do or Die." On 30th Jan 1948, he was shot died by Nathuram Gole. Thanks.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Rudra Pramod Rajnekar. I am in 4th to pass. On this great day, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu and Father of the Nation. Mahatma Gandhi believed simple living and high thinking. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the International Day of the Non-Violence. On this day, everyone should pledge we will always follow Gandhi's path of truth and non-violence. Thank you.
Could you imagine a Prime Minister when his sons used to his office car to go on a ride? Swiftly next day deposited money into the government account to pay for the distance travelled by the car for personal use. He was simple, most and modest. Second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was born on 2nd October 1904. Once while Shastri Ji was the Home Minister of India, he had to catch a flight to Delhi from Kolkata. Due to traffic, it was impossible for him to reach the airport on time. The Commissioner of Police decided to send a car with a siren ahead of Shastri Ji's vehicle. However, Shastri Ji firmly refused to avoid causing trouble to people on road. As Prime Minister of India, Shastri Ji had to visit one of the states which was cancelled due to some urgent work. When the Chief Minister of that state pleaded to enjoy first-class arrangements done by him, Shastri Ji said, "Why do you make first-class arrangements for a nation servant?" During Pakistan war, our country was facing acute food shortage. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी announced to his family, कल से एक हफ्ते तक शाम को चूल्हा नहीं जलेगा. He said the kids would get only milk and fruits, while the adults will stay hungry. He ensured his own family could survive without a meal for a day, and then he announced on India radio that the public should sacrifice one meal at least once a week. For the next few weeks, all restaurants and eateries strictly followed the rule. When Lal Bahadur Shastri passed away in 1966, he had no house on his name, nor any land in his possession. He had only left behind a government loan which he had taken to buy a Fiat car after he became Prime Minister. After his death, the bank asked his wife Lalita Shastri for the repayment of the loan, which she repaid from the family pension. That's why we kids should go in front of Lal Bahadur Shastri and take the oath to acquire and retain great character like him. Thank you.
Also, God loves Daya. These words suit exactly right in the case of Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. He became Prime Minister Today is Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. I am speaking about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family. Mahatma Gandhi was a greatest freedom fighter. He is also called Father of the Nation. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He always believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violent movement to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. He was a simple man, but whole world was influenced by his thoughts. Thank you.